Kubor ka Batisi TV, Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch, price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ra amangi, hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Since he has mentioned the third area,
Menteri Ketenaga Kampo yang ke Sarkar Jela ubah Lahkmen Rymbui hak arpu arterik menai luar arjar arpu art. Ulo ong bakat kum kejing tokit jongki pulet. Lasyam badai Runar om ki Lehnoh ki bari dengan hak Tura Medical College badang sna syai hadu mentah. Hak jeng keren begilat petai kubur ubah Rymbui ulo ong tang sio ujo nau MLA ke Gambegre usaleng sangma ke Sarkar kalabathai ke Ketenaga pulet ban pelau yang kejing tokit ke babanya halor kani. Bala syamru badai tangki kenhuan Runar iba pelong cakari dengan hak ni ke yang badang sna.
District Police regarding that incident. But having said that, we cannot just brush aside of any allegation. The District Police is constantly monitoring the area, not only the area, that district or the District Police all over the state. They are monitoring the situation. The Home Department have asked the necessary information before proceeding with any action or inaction, whatever is to be done. So the process is on. We will see. For anybody allegation, you have to substantiate. You have to see the basis of the allegation. Based on that, we have to see. It's not that just because I allege, just because this inquiry happened like this, because whatever action or inaction we do is open to scrutinize by different authority. So we will do accordingly within the parameter of the law. Since he has mentioned the third area, focus is also there, but we cannot keep or focus only on one particular place and leave aside the other area. Our duty is to see that the law and order prevail in all part of the state. Now, there is no inputs at all. Criminal may be there, but input regarding mental offense is have declared war on drug and drug abuse. So what necessary action to be done, we'll do that. But having said that, it is not very easy for the police to reach on every nook and corner of the state. But one thing I'm very happy as of now, that the civil society, that the people, the residents of the area, whenever they found suspicious thing happen, they do report to the police and police act swiftly.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.